Hello everyone, this is a review of the FNJO magnetic playset. All of these are tiles and they have magnetic bands around them. I wanted to crack it open and make sure everything was kind of all kid-proof so they couldn't, get something in their mouth and then we have a trip to the ER. But there are a plethora of tiles. They're all different kinds. You have these square ones, these types of square ones. These pop into another tile and you can choose from like doors and windows and all that. It's really cool. It comes with triangles and comes with this little rolly cart. It's really cool and I'm really excited to give it to my kid. But yeah, I just want to pop it open, take a look. There's a bunch of different models that they give you here that you can give to the kids, see if they want to make them. Kind of keep them busy off those iPads. There's so much stuff on there now that it's good if they kind of get off and explore other means. And this is kind of a great introduction to early geometry. So yeah, as you can see, there's a ton of different things that you can make. You can literally make anything. The rocket ship was really cool. I thought that was awesome. And there's a ton of them, everything from castles to carts to whatever you want and whatever your kid can dream up. But overall, I definitely give this 5 stars. If you're looking to get a cool little toy for your kid or play set, maybe something to remind you of Lincoln Logs or something that would bring you back to your childhood, this is definitely something to think about. Thanks.
This is a spaceship. It can open like this. And these can open so the people can get in. And I'll show you guys a little bit of it. Cut that on the side. This is a dance floor. This is like a cabinet where you keep all your stuff. Let's place it over there. I'm going to say this is like a little room where you call people. And this is a tray. And this is a tower. So this is an elevator that goes to first floor or second floor. This is the 0th floor.
Age of like 1.5. There's some triangle shapes. There's some wheels on it. And some that's like a window. You can make things like this.
Mark is building something, and the builders too.